Check 1 2 1 2. Yo. Oh, excuse me. My bad. What's going on, YouTube? So, I am really excited to share this with you guys. I had a company reach out to me about testing out some products. This company is called Somnifix, and they wanted me to test out their mouth strips. Now, these mouth strips help with like mouth breathing and mouth snoring, like when you sleep. And I know I be snoring because my mouth be wide open, slide, be all on the pillow and everything. But anyways, I've been testing these out. Excuse me. I'm going to test these out. This is the first night I'm going to try them. But basically, I'm excited. So in this box, I have 28 strips. 28 strips. And I've already showered and everything. So basically, oh, hold on. Before we get into all that. So like I've tried like the nasal strips and stuff to put over my nose to help with my snoring and congestion. But that really don't work. Because if you like me, like I be sleeping under the fan. Like I be sleeping under the fan and I know my mouth be wide open because I wake up, my throat be sore. I be thinking I got COVID and it's just not a good look. So I'm glad I got the opportunity to try these out. So basically, let's see. Let me read. Somnifix mouth strips are intended to reduce or eliminate mouth breathing and mouth snoring. Please read enclosed instructions before use. Got the instructions right here. Oh, this is Spanish side. Wash and dry lips. Remove strip from liner. Discard liner. Close mouth with lips in full contact with one another. Turn lips slightly inward. Apply strip with center vent where lips meet. Okay, I can do that. Look at that now. My lips are clean. So basically this little strip right here. Uh-oh. Neat. Okay. Strip looks like this. You can kind of see the vent right there. And the adhesive. So I'm gonna take this off. Wait a minute. I think I'm gonna here it is. Okay, it's like a little light, breathable mesh material. Of course, the adhesive is on the back to keep your lips. Just like that. Okay. Okay. All right. I think I can do with this. Help keep my mouth closed at night. So, I am about to go to bed, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'll do a review of what it was like sleeping in them. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night.
3:28 a.m.
All right, y'all. Lips kind of dry. Stayed on all through the night. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Hold on, y'all. It's too early. I'm gonna have to come back and Okay, y'all. I'm semi-woke now. I just left the gym, got a little cardio in, so I'm alert. But the strips, okay, so they stayed on pretty much, well, y'all saw they stayed on all night. It did that first night, this is my first night using them. It did take a little adjusting getting to just having something like keeping my mouth closed, which is weird. But I guess as far as doing what it needed to do, it did it. I mean, you don't know, you can't really hear yourself snoring. Well, no, let me take that back. I've been asleep and snored and woke myself up. Has anybody else ever done that? Because this happened to me. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue to try these for the next couple of nights to see like how my breathing gets like during the night and or whatever. I will say like I slept like a rock last night. I slept like a rock. Like a rock. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to try them and we'll just see. If you want to try these Somnifix mouth strips, there is a link that you can use. It'll be in the description, and you can use coupon code Roderick10 to get a little discount off of them. Not me advertising. Not me got a collab going on. Y'all check them out though, for real.